Hi, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I'm here with Mrs. Katz Crafting 2024 ATC trade. I'm sorry about my voice. I'm very hoarse. I have a swap in from Susan. And I'll show you this. Look at that cool looking stamp on there. That's awesome. Roy Lynchshire sign. In God we trust. ATC, no cash value. So let's see Susan's. Oh, I see goodies. This is hello, Tina. Thank you so much for the wonderful ATC, beautiful papers, and the items you so graciously sent. You really have a gift with your creation. Take care, Susan. Sorry, Brada. So let's take this out. Keep that like that. I want to keep the washi tape. Actually, I'll put the washi tape back on the envelope, like so. So we got, look at cool, smiley. That's cool. Reflection of a smile. Oh, yeah, she wrote it. That's so cute. I like that. Thank you. And her goodies, we got little playing cards with some puppy dogs. Jack and Jack. And we got some napkins. Butterfly. And other butterflies. And air balloons. And a bicycle. So let's see what we can do for a page layout. Okay. Alright, we're going to put this one across the bottom. I've been trying to salvage my voice and not talk a lot, so I'm sorry if I'm not talking a lot in this video. But I have been losing my voice since Thursday, and it's getting worse. But I wanted to do something. So this came today, and so did Kathy. So it gave me something to do. I've just been sitting here doing nothing. I'm not used to not doing nothing. Not in me. Good one. like that, and that. And I'm just going to tuck Susan's card in here. So I don't want to cover any of this up. So I will put Susan's name down here once it dries because I got a little bit more glue. I want to let it dry. But this is Susan Brown. I don't want to screw up her last name, so I'll just go like this. Like that. Do you want this stamp? So we're going to cut that out. Like so. Glue this down. Let's go look at stamp. Right there. And how do we trust? Okay. And I'll put her ATC in my folder. And like I said, once this dries, there's a little taggy right here. I'll put Susan's information down there. So thank you, Susan, for swapping with me. I will have February's out to you soon. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.